In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Grok using an X account. This process is straightforward and quick, and I'll guide you every step of the way, ensuring a smooth experience. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and head over to Google. Google's search engine provides an easy way to locate the Grok website, and it's a great starting point for this process. Once you're at the Google homepage, move to the search bar and type in Grok. You'll want to look for the official Grok site in the search results. Usually, it's the top result that appears, but make sure it's the verified and secure website for your safety. When you find the Grok link, give it a click to navigate to their homepage. On the Grok homepage, you should see an option to sign up. This is what we're looking for, so go ahead and click on the Sign Up button. Doing this will take you to a new page where you'll see different options for creating an account. Here's where you can take a shortcut by clicking on Sign Up with X. This option allows you to use your existing X account to make the sign-up process much faster and more convenient. When you select this option, it will redirect you to the X account login page if you're not already logged in. Enter your X account credentials if prompted. This step ensures security and verifies your identity. Once you're logged in with your X account, you'll see a prompt asking you to authorize the application. This is an essential step. The authorization allows Grok to securely access your X account information for this sign-up process. Look for the Authorize App button and click on it to proceed. Remember, authorizing the app doesn't mean your private information will be shared unnecessarily. It's purely to streamline the login process and secure your account setup. And that's it. You are now signed up with Grok using your X account. You've successfully navigated through the sign-up process. Switching to this method of authentication can save you time and increase security by minimizing password usage. Signing up for new services is hassle-free when you leverage existing accounts like your X account. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a refresher. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on tech signups and digital solutions, make sure to subscribe for further insights. Happy exploring, and I'll see you next time.